Hi, hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform for all competitive exams, BYJU'S Exam Prep. And warm welcome to the BARC 2023 Parmanu series daily practice paper. Today, we will be practicing the questions of C programming. Why late? Join the session quickly and mark your presence. I will be waiting for you all to join the session, and those who have joined the session, do mark your presence. Let me know your presence in the chat box. Also guys, please invite your friends for the session in the Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, wherever you are connected. Try to invite your friends for this live session. Okay, let me welcome Suman. Good evening. Poonam. Good evening, Poonam. Yes, whoever have joined the session, please mark your presence in the chat box. While today we will be practicing C programming, which is very important for the BARC aspirants. Definitely you can expect around 3 questions from this C programming. C programming से हम 3 क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते भाई. तो why late? We will start. I am Satya, waiting for you all to join the session. Let me introduce myself quickly. I am Satya, research scholar with 15 plus years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 40,000 students all over India in the GATE and PSU categories. I am qualified in GATE, UGC NET, SET, also certified by Cisco. This is quick brief about me, guys. Hello, Kajal Kumari. How are you all doing, guys? So, guys, this Parmanu series for BARC 2023 aspirants is live from yesterday, 24th February. And we will be conducting these classes almost for a month exclusively for BARC aspirants, guys, for you guys. So try to attend all the classes regularly and take the most benefit out of it. Okay? Chalo. Let us start with the first question, guys. Here is the first question. I think the question is visible for everybody. Is the question visible? Okay. What will be the output of f of 3, 8? F of 3, 8. What would be the output? Please solve it quickly. May be useful, I can say, if C programming questions you are going to get. Yes, you may get some analytical knowledge with these questions, but you may not be able to write the codes, but definitely you will be able to get some analytical skills with this GATE aspirant. Okay, so Shyam says the answer is option B. Chalo, let's see what is the answer. We are called with f of 3, 8. F of 3, 8. So 2 arguments are there. A is 3, B is 8. A equal to 3, B equal to 8. If b equal to 0, condition is false. If b equal to 1, condition is false. So, return a plus 3 plus f of a comma b minus 1. Now a equal to 3, b equal to 7. B is equal to 0? No. So, return f of a plus, because b is not even 1, f of a comma b minus 1. So, this will be 3 plus f of 3 comma 5 until b becomes 1, right? 3 comma, this will be 3 plus f of 3 comma 4. This would be 3 plus f of 3 comma 3. This will be 3 plus f of 3 comma 2. This would be 3 plus f of 3 comma 1. Now when b equal to 1, return a. So this would be returning a. So this is altogether 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So what is returned? 24. Hence the answer is 24. Yes, Shyam, you are correct. The right answer for this question is 24. Superb. Let's get into second question. What will be the output of the program? ये तो बहुत easy question है. Print ISRO, BARC. Print BARC, ISRO. So what would be the output? Shyam, Suman, Poonam, Kajal and all the others. Kindly tell what would be the answer. Option A. Kajal, option A. Shyam with option A. Yeah, ये तो very easy question है. Right? Okay. All the others, please make the session interactive. Give your answers in the chat box. All right. All right. The right answer for this question is option D. Option D. Why? Please observe, print in the double quotes ISRO, comma. So, after this whatever is there, this is all neglected. Similarly, for printing purpose only this is taken. After comma whatever is there, that is all neglected. So, it will print only ISRO because of first print statement and BARC because of second print statement. That's it. So you will be getting just ISRO BARC. Got it? For printing only one double quote is what taken. And the comma is right associative. Okay? Chalo, next question. What will be the output of the program? Hash include stdio.h int main printf 4 plus engineering. Return 0. So what would be printed? 4 engineering, ENGI, NEERING, INEERING. Kajal, Biswas, Manoj, Shyam, Komal Kumari, Suman, Shyam, everybody. Tell me what would be printed by this. Biswas says option A. Okay. Shyam option C. Suman option C. Arun Reddy option C. Okay. Okay. Komal option C. Fine. See, this is a string. Let it be something str. And we have 4. So it is something like 4 plus str. I can also write it as str plus 4. Right? So when the string is something like this, ENGINEERING, something like this. 4 plus means 4 is not in the double quotes, Biswas. 4 is not in the double quotes. If it is in the double quotes, it gets concatenated. But here 4 is just in the numerical form. So the string at index 4 onwards, this is what str plus 4. From this onwards, the string gets printed. So NEERING gets printed. Got it? Biswas, why you don't get 4 engineering? Because 4 is in the numerical form, not in the string form. That's why it won't get concatenated. Good, good. Chal. Next question. Question number 4 on your screen. Consider the following C program. Hash include stdio.h, int a of 4, 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. Printf percentile d, comma. Okay. This double quotes is here. It's a typo. So and so, the output of the program is options 14, 19, 13, 18. Okay, Shyam Harsh Modi says 19, that is option B. Komal also with option B. All right. What about others? What would be the correct answer for this? We are given a 2-dimensional array. So let me take 2-dimensional array with 4 rows, 5 columns. And the name is A. Row numbering starts with 0 by default. Column number starts with 0. The values assigned are these: 1 to 20. Okay. Now, we have certain expression. We know the innermost parenthesis gets evaluated first. So, what is in the innermost parenthesis? A plus star star A plus 2. What is this star star A? Valuate A. Can I write this as star of A plus 0 plus 0? 0 has no weight. We know that star of A plus I plus J is nothing but A of ij. So, this becomes A of 0, 0. What is A of 0, 0? 1. So, this is A plus 1 plus 2. So, this is all becoming A plus 3. A plus 3. Now, it is star of A plus 3, the innermost parenthesis turned into whole plus 3. This is again like this form, which is A of I is 3, J is also 3, that is 19. Yes, A of 3. Yes, the right answer is option B. Exactly. Guys, this is a previous gate question. I think that's why you have given the answer very immediately. The intention to put this question is that gate questions can repeat in the BARC exam. So I want to tell you that please solve all previous gate questions. BARC previous questions you can't get because the BARC paper is not given out. Maybe some questions you may get here and there, like Quora, some overflow, Stack Overflow kind of websites, when they give their memory based questions, but officially you will not get any BARC previous papers. But yes, in the BARC, previous gate questions are possible, previous ISRO questions are possible. So, it is very much advised for every BARC aspirant to solve previous PYQs of GATE ISRO. If I am not wrong, this is of 2019 GATE or 2020 GATE. Either 2019 or 2020, only in these two. Exact I do not remember, but it is probably 2020. Okay. Shyam, almost here, almost. Maybe you might have little more software engineering and web technologies kind. Other than that, rest everything would be GATE syllabus. You might have old GATE syllabus, means software engineering, web technologies together. Okay. Chalo, next question. What will be the output of the C program? Int main, int I equal to 15, j equal to 240. I equal to I and j and I, j equal to I or j or I. Print I comma j. Biswas, extra subjects means what subjects you mean to ask? Could you please mention the names of the subjects so that I can give some idea about the weightage? That's why I am asking. Yes, everybody give your answer for this question number 5. That is what Biswas. Do you mean to ask about software engineering, web technologies, or any other specific subjects? Shyam says option B. Okay, Shyam. Biswas, see, software engineering, web technologies, as it is not in the GATE, we are not teaching, and maybe some kind of material we can try. I can try personally for you guys, but not sure because of classes. Let me try to gather some material kind and give you. Okay, be there in the Telegram group. I'll try to provide some material for software engineering and web technologies. And however, the weightage is less, like you can say 3 or 4 questions kind, or both together. Even you get 5 questions also, you need not to surprise. Yes, I accept every mark is important, every question is important. Chalo. Option B, all are with. Okay, I equal to 15, j equal to 240. Given I and j and I. This is of logical, this is of bitwise. As per the precedence, bitwise operators have more priority than logical. So first here we do j and I. J is equal to 240. So 11110000 is j, and I is equal to 15. This is 15. When you do AND operation, you will be getting what? All zeros. All zeros. And then you are doing I is equal to I logical and 0. Any number AND operation with 0. This is now I is what? 15, true. 0 is what? False. So this is false. 0. So I value became 0. Now second expression. J is equal to I, bitwise or j, logical or I. So first I, bitwise or j will be done. What is I? 0. This is I. And what is j? 240. So this becomes 240. Now j is equal to this result 240 logical or j. 240 logical or 240. True or true? True means 1. So j becomes 1. So when you try to print it, what you get? 0, 1. 0, 1. Yes, the right answer is 0, 1, undoubtedly. Very good, very good. So with this question, please understand, you have to revise operator precedence associativity also. So with every question, you have to understand that, okay, this concept, what you have to prepare. Okay, with the previous questions, I have already made you alert about pointers and 1D array, pointer and 2D array, string operations, right, and recursion. So like that, with every question, I am giving you that clue what you have to prepare. I hope you are getting it. Chalo, next question. Before that, for GATE 2024 aspirants, our expert Rakesh Talreja sir who has pursued his MTech from IISc Bangalore, who secured All India rank 9 in the GATE with 12 plus years of experience, will be taking a free workshop to give you the perfect strategy to target AIR 1 in the GATE 2024 exam tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. So if you know any 2024 GATE aspirant, maybe your friend or any other, please share this info to them. And guys, for GATE 2024 aspirants, we are starting the Fundamentals series, which is a free series where we will be giving all the necessary stuff so that you can be ready for the GATE preparation. And this series we would be starting from the 1st of March for electrical, electronics, instrumentation and computer science. So guys, subscribe to our BYJU'S Exam Prep GATE channel and get the notifications by pressing the bell icon. Okay, chalo. Next question on your screen. What is the output of below code? Hello, Saubhagya Nayak. Suman, last 15 years. Sir, you said simply. Of course, I know 15 years means very huge, but yes, BARC साइंटिस्ट आसान तो नहीं बनेगा ना, थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा सुमन. Advised to solve last 15 years. Yes guys, what is the output of below code? Everybody keep giving your answers. Int a equal to 65, a equal to a less than 4, a equal to a greater than 2, a equal to a minus 195, print a. Yep. See, when you are shifting any number, some number n, left by n times, this is equivalent to that number multiplied by 2 power n. And when you try to shift some number right by n times, that is equivalent to number divisible by 2 power n. Right? So, a is equal to 65, a left shift 4. So, a becomes 65 multiplied by 2 power 4. Let it be. Let it be. So, a became 65 into 2 power 4. Now, a equal to a right shift 2. So, a becomes 65 into 2 power 4. Whole right shift by 2 means 2 square. So, this becomes 65 into 4. Right? So, this would be 260. Now, a equal to a minus 195. So, this will make a value as 260 minus 195 back to 65. So, back to 65 a value is. Now, print a, here format specifier plays a vital role. So, we want to print it as a character. So, 65 equivalent ASCII character gets printed. What is the equivalent ASCII character of 65? Capital A. Capital A. Yes. Ramki, Harsh, Shyam, Suman, Subhagya Nayak, Biswas, yes, Saurav, Pal, Kajal, Komal Kumari, Arun Reddy. Yes, guys. Okay, Suman, it's not option A, but it is option B. Okay, you mean to say character A. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Chalo. Question number 7. What will be the output if int takes 2 bytes memory space? What will be the output if int takes 2 bytes memory space? Harsh, option C. Biswas, option A. All right. Vijay, option A. Okay. Come on. Everybody give your answers. So with this question, I want to alert you that you have to revise the ranges of the data types. Okay. Given int takes 2 bytes. Int, when you simply write int, that is equivalent to signed int. So what is the default type qualifier in signed and unsigned? Signed. So for signed int, when it is taking 16 bits space, what would be the range? What would be the range? Minus 2 power 16 minus 1 to plus 2 power 16 minus 1 whole minus 1. That is minus 2 power 15 to plus 2 power 15 minus 1. That is minus 32,768 to 32,767. So this is the range of I, our integer. But given value exceed this. So whenever it exceed, what happens? Wrap around happens. So something like this, or something like your wall clock. So this is 0, this is 32,767, this is all positive quadrant, this is all negative quadrant, minus 32,768 to minus 1. This is all negative, this is all positive. So when the value exceed positive, just like a wall clock, it take the next continuous value in this wrap around in the cyclic manner. So here we have 0, and here we are having 32,767, but the value is more than this. So your 32,768 is equivalent to minus 32,768. So 32,769 is equivalent to minus 32,767. So in this way, 770 is equivalent to 766. So 771 equivalent to 765, 772, 764, 773, 763, 772, no problem. If you are not sure directly calculating, you can simply calculate like this. It won't take more than 1 minute also. So 774 is equivalent to 762. So 775, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Right? So keep counting. 761, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56. So minus 32,780, plus 32,780 is equivalent to minus 32,756. So option B is the right answer. Option B. Vijay Kumar, Harsh Modi, Arun Reddy, Suman, everyone got it? Very good. Who have given the right answer? Very good. So guys, with this question, I want to tell you that please revise once about data types and their range. And when the value exceed the range, what happens? That concept. Hello Tanuja. Okay, let's proceed to next question. Question number 8. So this question is on the control statements. Nested control statement. Inside the for I have switch. So solve it and give your answer, dear friends. Output of the following program is. Quick. Ramki Deb, option D. Shyam, option D. Okay. Okay. Komal, option D. Option D, option B, option C. Be careful. Chalo. I started with 0, 0 less than 20 true. So, switch off I. First I became 0. So, case 0 matched. So, shift to statement part and until break or until end, keep executing. So, I plus is equal to 5, I becomes 5 here. I plus is equal to 2, I becomes 7, I becomes 12, I becomes 16. Break. After that, print I. After switch, I have print I. So, what is I value? 16. Then I plus plus. Then I become 17. After becoming 16, after printing it, in the process of next loop, I plus plus happened, I becomes 17. Now, when I is equal to 17, it is not matching with any case, so default executes. Here, I becomes 17 plus 4, that is equal to 21. Why 17 less than 20? True, that's why. So print I is 21. After printing, I becomes 22. When I is equal to 22, 22 less than 20 false. So here this loop ends. So nothing gets printed, nothing, no more execution. So by the time the program terminate, what is the output we got? 1621. Got it, everybody? Yes, yes. Very good, very good. You are all ready, I think, for the GATE exam. Good. Question number 9. Theory based. Yes. This kind of question is also possible. Certain theory related, theory oriented question is also possible. Concept oriented. Not all programs always. So that is the intention to keep this question for you. Pick incorrect statement or statements in C language. 1. Pointers are allocated memory before execution. 2. The default values at locations allocated by malloc are 0. 3. The default values at locations allocated by calloc are 0. 4. Arrays are allocated memory while execution of the program. So pick incorrect statement or statements. Of course, all the options are having multiple numbers, so definitely multiple could be incorrect. A 1, 2, B 1, 3, 4, C 1, 4, D 1, 2, 4. So all the way you have 1 means 1 is definitely incorrect. Pointers are allocated memory before execution. Before execution means at the compile time. No. Pointers get at runtime. So this is false. Pointers get at runtime. Means while execution. Arrays get memory while execution. No. This is before execution. This is at compile time. So definitely you can say 1 is false, 4 is false for sure. 1 is there in all the options, 4 is there in B, C, D. So definitely not, answer is not A. Now, is there any other false statement? The default values at locations allocated by malloc are 0. This is false because the default values of malloc are garbage values or random values, you can say. So 2 is definitely false. So yes, you can say option D is the answer. However, if you look at the option the statement 3, calloc default values are 0, that is true. Contiguous allocation will give the default value as 0. Okay, Ramkidev, even 4 is also false. Got it? Last question of the day. What will be the output of the C program? Int main, int I equal to 1, j equal to 3, comma k. K equal to minus I and plus j. It is something on pre-increment, pre-decrement kind. It is appearing like that. Print I, j, k. Yes guys, what would be your answer for this question? Ramki says option B, Shyam option A, Saubhagya Nayak option B. Okay. Suman option A, Komal option B. Yes, definitely Ramki. Join the Telegram group. There I will share just in 5 minutes after the session is over. Join the Telegram group. I will share my Telegram group link after this question. Okay. There I will share the PDF. Arun option A. Chalo, let's see. I equal to 1, J equal to 3, K. K equal to minus I. Minus I. So it is a pre-decrement. So this becomes 0. Decrement first and then give 0. And what is the next operation we are having? AND operation. We know 0 and anything is 0 leads to 0. So whenever the first operand is 0, next operand is not evaluated by AND operation. Next operand evaluation is skipped. Similarly, here I am telling when first operand value is 1, OR operation, OR operator. What is OR operator? This operator will skip second operand. Because 1 or anything is 1. So learn this if you don't know. So this plus J will not happen. And what is assigned to K? 0 only. Plus J won't happen. So print I, J, K. 0, 3, 0. Option B is the right answer. If you get OR operation, remember, if the first operand value result is 1, second operand is skipped. Got it? I think some students might have learned this new point with this question. Good. That's all for today, guys, of C programming. I tried to cover all different model questions that are possible. Maybe I think I am now recalling structures concept I have missed actually to keep. Please do revise the structures concept also along with this. Okay, the next class would be on Monday, 27th Feb, that is on Monday, same time 9 p.m. on data structures. Tanuja, yes, on data structures on Monday. And this is my Telegram group link, guys. You can type CS_by_Satya. You can get the PDF of it. And also if you want to ask any doubts, you can ask there. I hope this session is helpful for you. If so, don't forget to like the session before you leave, and also try to share this session info in the groups wherever you are connected, so that if anybody could not join live, at least they watch recorded, so that it would be benefited most of the people. Okay, C programming का नहीं होगा अब सर. Tanuja, this is of C programming only. You joined late, it seems. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining the session. I will be sharing the PDF of the same in the Telegram group, Rumkey. Okay? Join the Telegram group. I'll share there. Thank you guys. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.